Hey everyone, welcome to the Urviac channel. You might already know that notebooks and planners are some of the best-selling products on Amazon KDP, both in the US and internationally. And the best part is that they're incredibly easy to create. With Canva, you can design a complete notebook in just 30 minutes or even less. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a notebook like this using Canva. So let's begin. First, head over to Google and type Canva in the search bar. Open the official Canva website. Once you're inside, go to the search bar at the top and type A4. You'll instantly see a huge range of ready-made templates you can start with. Canva gives you tons of notebook layouts in different styles, themes, and colors, and you can pick any one that matches your idea. But for this tutorial, I'm going to start with a completely blank page. I want to show you how to build your notebook from scratch, so you understand every step clearly. So go ahead and click Create Blank A4 Notebook. Now let's work on the cover page, because the cover is the first thing your customer will see. Go to the Elements section and search for Floral Background. After you search, click on the Graphics tab. Canva will show you many colorful and aesthetic floral patterns. Choose one that fits the vibe of your notebook. After selecting, stretch the pattern so it covers the entire page. If you want the patterns to look smaller and more detailed, here's a simple trick. Reduce the size of the graphic to about half the width of the page. Then duplicate it and paste copies until the entire background is covered. This gives your cover a cleaner, more detailed pattern instead of large zoomed-in shapes. Now let's add a title box. Go back to Elements and pick a square shape. Place it wherever you want the notebook title to appear. Resize it, adjust the position, and change its color to white. You can also add a thin stroke around the shape, using a color that matches the floral pattern behind it. This small touch makes the title box stand out without looking too sharp. Next, type the title Notebook on the shape. Choose a clean and stylish font that suits the theme. Make sure the text is centered neatly inside the box. Here's an optional idea that many sellers use to make their covers more unique. Add a small quote. These tiny details can separate your notebook from hundreds of others. Go to Elements and search for inspirational quotes. Canva has many pre-designed ones. Choose the one you like. Change its color to match the pattern and place it carefully so it blends with the cover design. Now your cover looks polished and professional. The cover is done, so let's move to the interior pages. This is where most creators rush, but these details can really improve your final product. First, we need to create the writing lines for our notebook. Go to Elements and add a simple line. Set the stroke weight to 1 and reduce the transparency a little, so the lines don't look too dark or too bold. Now stretch the line horizontally to fit the width you prefer. Next, duplicate the line as many times as you want. For example, if you want 20 lines on each page, duplicate the line 20 times, then select all the lines together, right-click, and use the Tidy Up option to space them evenly. Canva will automatically distribute them in a perfect vertical order. After that, stretch the group of lines vertically so they fill the whole page. Now you might think the page is ready, but a plain line page looks boring. Let's make it more attractive. Go to Elements and search for Blue Butterfly. Canva has lots of cute butterfly graphics. I personally like the small ones. Shrink it, place it near the top or bottom corner, and then shorten the nearby line so it doesn't overlap with the butterfly. This adds personality to your interior without affecting usability. If you want, you can also add a tiny floral graphic or any element that matches your notebook theme. Once your interior design is set, duplicate the page as many times as needed. If your notebook needs 100 pages, duplicate it until you reach the required count. After that, go to Share, click Download, and choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. Both options work well for Amazon KDP. Download the file and your notebook interior is ready. And just like that, your notebook is complete. See how simple the entire process is? Once you understand the basic structure, you can create dozens of notebooks in different styles in very little time. That's all from my side in this video. I hope you learned something useful today. Comment below and tell me what kind of notebook or KDP tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.